Hi, I'm Mike Baxter, Head of Infinity Product here at Triquestra. This is the first in my technical series about APIs in which I'll share some of my thoughts on the use of APIs in retail, and specifically how we're building Infinity APIs to enable innovation and help you deliver better and better customer experiences in our increasingly on-demand world. First up, microservices and why soon enough isn't good enough in retail. Microservices are a new and emerging design pattern and gaining momentum as businesses want to innovate more, connect with other businesses and wider channels. Traditionally, those were achieved via a singular web API that was all-encompassing, so one service has encapsulated everything that you wanted to share and expose. What that meant, it was a monolithic service, and it meant that a simple change would require an update to the entire entity. Microservices perform a singular function or group of functions specific to a business area, for example, products, customers, inventory. Within that, there is a design pattern that enables the data to be consistent across those individual services. What that means is that there is a condition where microservices have points in time where the data is not consistent across those services. It's a natural design consideration, and there is a phrase you'll hear called eventual consistency, which means by design, there'll be points in time where those services do not have the same data, but they will eventually become consistent. That's why in retail we think that eventual consistency is not always good enough. With our Infinity API design strategy, we're embracing microservice and working with eventual consistency, but in order to ensure the fast transactional experience, transactional integrity, and the consistency of information when dealing with those customers, we're using larger macro type services where there is specific transaction behavior. So we're using a combination of small microservices with the eventual consistency and larger macro transactional services for the fast and accurate retail transaction. Microservices and the macro services still give us the speed of innovation, the speed to adapt to business change and adapting to the ever-changing retail world. I hope you found this useful. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if you'd like to know more, please don't hesitate to get in touch.